Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that has caught the attention of health enthusiasts everywhere: the Solo Organic Pea Protein Isolate. If you're looking for a plant-based protein that's not only nutritious but also versatile, you found the right product. Let's explore why this could be the best pea protein powder on the market. First, let's talk about what makes Solo Pea Protein truly exceptional. This protein powder is made from organic yellow peas, sourced directly from farms in Canada. These peas are grown in nutrient-rich soil, preserved by the country's unique cold climate, which helps maintain their nutritional integrity. This means you're not just getting protein. You're getting a product that embodies quality and care from farm to table. One of the standout features of Solo Pea Protein is its impressive nutritional profile. Each serving provides a whopping 30 grams of protein, including 5.5 grams of branched-chain amino acids, or BCAAs, which are essential for muscle recovery and growth. This makes it an excellent choice for post-workout recovery or even as a meal replacement. What's more, this protein powder is low in sodium, which is often a concern with many protein supplements. Solo Pea Protein uses a unique, water-based extraction process that removes excess sodium, while preserving the natural goodness of the peas. This makes it a healthier option for those watching their salt intake. And did I mention how versatile it is? Solo Pea Protein can be seamlessly incorporated into a variety of recipes. Whether you're whipping up protein pancakes, adding it to your morning smoothie, or baking delicious gluten-free muffins, the unflavored formula allows you to enjoy its benefits without altering the taste of your favorite dishes. Another advantage is its easy digestibility. Unlike some other protein powders that can leave you feeling bloated, Solo Pea Protein is designed to be gentle on your stomach, making it suitable for a wide range of diets, including vegan, keto, and paleo. What I love most about this product is the commitment to quality. Solo Pea Protein is 100% vegan, non-GMO, and free from additives. Plus, it comes with a satisfaction guarantee, so if you're not happy, you can get your money back, no questions asked. So, if you're on the hunt for the best organic pea protein powder, I highly recommend giving Solo Organic Pea Protein Isolate a try. It's packed with nutrition, incredibly versatile, and a great addition to any health-conscious lifestyle. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more product insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and keep critiquing.